Pretty much the easiest way to make free money in a crypto bear market is through airdrops. But finding the valuable ones that are worth at least a few $1,000s are, number one, a lot of work. And number two means sifting through a whole lot of scams. We have done the legwork for you guys. We've done the research. In this video, we're looking at 2 potential airdrops and one that is confirmed and thus represent a great way to prioritize passive income in this current bear market. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. As always, we wish you the very best of luck if you choose to invest, but just remember this video is not meant to be official financial or investment advice. Airdrop number 1, let's get right into it. We're looking here at LiFi Protocol. This is a decentralized social network or graph, and it's also known for having a low carbon footprint. So that right there is already a nice bonus, and it links to Aave, the lending protocol. And they have the same owner, actually, Staniy Kulichov. He built LiFi Protocol on Polygon, and this seems to be a good choice, especially if we look at all the recent big new partnerships that Polygon have announced. So the question is, why would you want to get involved with a LiFi airdrop? And that's fairly easy to answer because quite simply, decentralized social identity is going to be pretty big in the future. But here's the thing, to get your hands on a LiFi handle isn't easy. Actually, only a specific group of people can claim it, or you can grind your way through events. I myself am personally not eligible, but wider access is about to roll out soon. Nevertheless, LiFi already has over 105,000 profiles. Many feel that this is quite important, getting a LiFi handle. And if you agree, then this should be your priority. One of the ways of getting that LiFi handle is by following their Twitter account shown here at LiFi Protocol. They have regular updates on handle drops, but to qualify for the potential airdrop that we're talking about here, visit the apps that are already built on LiFi. As many as possible, really, that's our advice. We're about to name a few suggestions in just a moment. However, for most sites, you're gonna need that LiFi handle before you can enter. But for example, shown here is LiFi Friends, where you can check a variety of profiles and handles on LiFi. There's also Lenster. This is a social media app. Kind of think of it like Twitter. Memes. This is very simply where you can make memes on LiFi. There's also InLens, where you can find Twitter contacts on LiFi. And finally, LiFi, which allows you to airdrop tokens. So you probably get the idea. There are tons of dApps on LiFi. And really the utilities range from music players to creating POAPs, or for example, how about posting all your LiFi posts on Twitter? But look, most importantly, get a LiFi handle. If you already have a handle, let me know what it is, guys, in the comments below, or how you're liking LiFi and its dApps and its ecosystem. But with that being said, let's move on now to airdrop number 2. In the middle of this list, we're looking at airdrop number 2 here, which is Spin. And this is a DeFi trading platform. It is built on Near, which is a great choice because Near has the best market cap revenue ratio in the top 50 blockchains. And by the way, this is a confirmed airdrop. This is guaranteed. But before you can join, you will need a Near wallet, and you're going to need to add some Near, N-E-A-R, into it. The link for that is right here. By the way, as we now know after FTX and that whole debacle, DEXs are doing pretty well because they offer an alternative to centralized exchanges. So in other words, you are in control of your own keys, and a DEX, as we know, requires no KYC procedure. Talking, however, about Spin specifically, they are claiming to have the best combination of centralized and decentralized finance, all in one on-chain trading solution. It is also very encouraging to see that their TVL, their total value locked, keeps growing. We're looking here at the last 6 months on DeFi Llama, and they've done very well. The trajectory is steadily going upward. Despite what we've all gone through as far as some very choppy crypto waters, their TVL has performed very, very well. And Spin has already launched a spot and a perpetual trading market. And really the best part is that an audit is in the can for them already. Which of course surely boosts trust in this particular platform. And the Spin token, that's SPIN, that is what we're after in this case. And it also has some pretty good utility, including things like governance, staking benefits. It can be used for collateral or with incentive programs. Okay, but to get a chance to qualify for this confirmed airdrop, we need to visit the 2 working parts. So here we go. Check out their spot market shown here. That's trade.spin.fi. Then connect your wallet, deposit some funds, and complete a few buys and sells. Currently, they have 10 trading pairs, all with USDC. So for instance, near ETH, USDT, or WBTC. And then their next step is to visit the perpetual market. That link is shown here, perp.spin.fi. You're going to need to connect your Near wallet again, and you're best off with some USDC in this case. Try out their long and short options and the perpetual trading feature if you like. And that's going to be your best chance of setting yourself up for this confirmed airdrop. See their official tweet here. This was published on the 21st of October. So simple enough for Spin. Best of luck with this one. Again, it is confirmed. But with that being said, let's take a look at our last airdrop for today. It is LiFi Protocol. LiFi is an advanced cross-chain bridge and DEX, decentralized exchange aggregator. They cover quite a few blockchains, in fact, no fewer than 15. For example, we have Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, Phantom, Polygon, Avalanche, Binance, Moonbeam, Moonriver, OKX Chain, Fuse, Celo, Kronos, Vila, and Aurora. And they connect some pretty massive ecosystems as well. And of course, they're currently also the best bridge solution to and from Arbitrum. Their swap bridge app looks pretty cool, and it's also easy to use. Okay, but how can you get your hands on this potential airdrop? Well, it should come as no surprise that you're going to need to use their bridge. Start, first of all, with connecting your wallet. They are all EVM chains, so a MetaMask wallet will do. Any other compatible wallet is also fine, whatever your preference is really. If you're not comfortable with MetaMask, for example, then feel free to use another wallet. Okay, then make sure that you have at least some funds in your wallet in order to swap. Now you can use their bridge to move your assets around between networks. Just be aware that transactions may take some time between certain networks. You will also have to pay gas fees, of course, for each transaction, and costs vary depending on the chosen network. And that's pretty much all you have to do for this potential airdrop, which brings us to the end of this episode. So let me know, guys, in the comments how easy you think it is, whether you're comfortable or uncomfortable with those bridging requirements. For some of you, after all, it may be a new experience. If that's the case, best of luck. Also, don't forget that for a limited time, our Altcoin Buzz access group is free for you to check out. And while it is, that means that you can get your hands on our terrific weekly update reports. These cover the crypto and NFT markets. These come from our outstanding research team. You can try them out now for free. Either click the link that's popping up now on screen or the one that's found in the description of this video, guys. These are high quality reports. Use them to your advantage.